Welcome to Instant Cooking. Today I am making tomato garlic omelette. Normally in omelette we don't use tomato, don't use garlic, but if you use tomato and garlic in your omelette, it is very healthy because the egg yellow contains lots of cholesterol and garlic cuts the bad cholesterol, and tomato has lots of vitamin C which strengthen your immune system. So for this we need tomato, egg, butter, garlic, green chili, coriander leaf, salt, and I will use oregano and chili flake just to give a different flavor to the omelette. And we will serve it with bread slice. So first take a grinder, add tomato, 2 medium sized tomato, chopped tomato, add 8 to 10 cloves of garlic, add little green chili, little coriander leaf, and grind it to a fine paste. Now take 2 eggs and add this paste into egg. Add 3 to 4 teaspoons of this tomato, garlic, green chili and coriander leaf paste and beat it very properly so all the paste and egg evenly mixed. Now add salt to taste, add chili flake and little oregano. You can use any herb, you can use black pepper powder, you can use freshly crushed black pepper. Now add coriander leaf and little green chili. Now beat it properly. We are beating it very properly because we want our omelette fluffy. Now in a frying pan add 1 teaspoon of butter, let it melt. While our butter is melting, keep on beating the egg mixture. Now our butter is melted. Add little oil, now add the egg mixture. Now on medium flame cover it and leave it for 2 minutes, and after 2 minutes carefully flip the omelette, cover it and leave it for 15-20 seconds. Uncover it, take it out. Now we will serve it with the paste we have made: tomato, garlic, green chili and coriander leaf. Add salt, mix it, and you have very delicious tomato garlic chutney and tomato garlic omelette is ready. So try this very different, very delicious omelette, and for daily one interesting recipe, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.